Venomous snakes have a reputation of being the most deadliest and dangerous killer animal in the wildlife, especially when it comes to their killer bites. But these snakes are dangerous in the same thing that make it valuable to the medical research community over the years. They have discovered that the very compounds that make venom poisonous are useful in the treatment of several human diseases. There are about 3000 different species of snakes, of which about 600 are venomous. These snake venoms that make the species so dangerous are made up of hundreds of different types of peptides, enzymes, and toxins. Medicines derived from the hemotoxins are used in treatment of heart attacks and blood disorders. The first drug derived from the snake venom toxin was developed to treat high blood pressure. This venom was taken from a Brazilian pit viper, consisting of a protein that prevents a compound called angiotensin converting enzymes from the functioning correctly. Human body uses this enzyme to maintain a stable blood pressure. Medical research have developed a synthetic version of snake venom protein that is used in the medical treatment for high blood pressure. Other drugs derived from the hemotoxins including eptifibatide, which contain a modified rattlesnake venom protein, and tyrofibin, which contains a venom protein from the African saw-scaled vipers. These medicines are used in the treatment of minor heart attacks. They work by helping to dissolve and prevent blood clots. A small dosage of venom from the Malayan pit viper helps to dissolve stroke-related blood clots and prevent new clots from forming. Medicines derived from the neurotoxins are used to treat brain injuries, strokes, and diseases such as ALZHEIMER'S and Parkinson's. Looking at how effective these venoms are in the treatment of circulatory system disorders, researchers are studying the potential of snake venom protein to be for the treatment against the cancer. Researchers have found that a compound in the venom of a certain types of snake which is not yet disclosed has the potential to disrupt the function of endothelial cells that form the inner surface of blood vessels. This can lead to the cells to separate from one another, which lead to their death. Scientists think that this property of snake toxins venom could be used to disrupt the flow of blood to a tumor and thus preventing its growth. Since the venom toxins act on a certain types of cell, hence the healthy cell would not be unaffected. Scientists are also studying and exploring of using snake venom as a potential source of painkillers compounds. Researchers have determined that two molecules isolated from the black mamba venom are as effective as morphine in the elimination of pain.